What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best portable ice makers to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Silonn Ice Maker Countertop is an exceptional value for money, and it is a top-selling ice maker for a good reason. One of its standout features is its quick ice production time, taking less than 8 minutes to produce ice, making it one of the fastest models tested. Weighing only 15 pounds, it is highly portable, and users appreciate its sleek and elegant design, which comes in multiple finishes to complement any decor. The Silonn Ice Maker Countertop is equipped with several features found in higher-priced models. It offers 2 different sizes of ice cubes to choose from, and it has an indicator light that alerts you when the water is low or the ice basket is full. The see-through lid allows you to monitor the ice capacity, and the machine shuts off automatically when the basket is full. Although compact, the Silonn Ice Maker Countertop has a decent water capacity, reducing the need for frequent refills, and it produces a good amount of bullet-shaped ice for its size. In 1 hour of testing, the machine produced 12 ounces of ice. However, it is worth noting that some users have reported the machine to be noisy, and the ice it produces may be cloudy. The AGLUCKY Ice Maker machine is a portable and compact option that stands out for its quick ice production and convenience. It has the ability to produce 9 ice cubes in under 8 minutes, making it one of the fastest models tested. With a daily ice production capacity of up to 26 pounds, it ensures a steady supply of ice for your cookouts or pool parties. Despite its high ice production, it weighs only 16 pounds, making it easy to move around. Apart from its ice-making capabilities, the AGLUCKY Ice Maker machine prioritizes user-friendliness. It features indicators that notify you when the ice basket needs to be emptied or when it's time to add more water to the reservoir. Additionally, it offers options for both small and large bullet-shaped ice, catering to various beverage preferences. While praised for its small size and attractive design, some testers noted the whirring noise produced by the fan and its relatively small water capacity as drawbacks. Overall, the AGLUCKY Ice Maker machine provides a convenient solution for those who desire fast and efficient ice production in a portable form. The Frigidaire Ice Maker machine for countertop is a budget-friendly option that provides regular access to ice cubes at home. This compact and efficient ice maker can produce 9 pieces of ice in just 5 to 8 minutes, making it convenient for everyday use. With a capacity to churn out approximately 26 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, this machine ensures an ample supply of ice for various needs. One notable feature is its self-cleaning functionality, which helps maintain crystal-clear ice cubes with minimal effort for long-term maintenance. The ice maker also boasts an upgraded compressor and exhaust fan, enhancing its durability and performance. Additionally, its lightweight and portable design make it easy to store or bring along on the go. While some customer reviews have expressed concerns about rusting issues, others have praised its ease of use and customer service. The NewAir Countertop Ice Maker is a powerful and versatile appliance that can produce an impressive 50 pounds of ice per day. Despite its large size and weight, this ice maker is designed to meet your ice needs efficiently. It can produce 12 pieces of ice in just 7 minutes, allowing you to enjoy a constant supply of ice. The ice maker offers 3 different ice sizes to choose from, catering to various occasions and preferences. Additionally, it features an 18-hour timer, enabling you to set the ice-making schedule according to your needs. Indicator lights inform you when it's time to add water or when the removable ice bin is full. Although the ice bin is not refrigerated, it is better insulated compared to other small ice maker models, which helps slow down the melting process. The machine requires minimal maintenance and includes a cleaning mode. It operates quietly and quickly, producing a full bin of ice in just 2 hours on the small setting. While the bullet ice cubes may appear slightly cloudy and irregular in size, the machine compensates for this with its exceptional performance. However, draining the ice maker can be challenging due to its size and weight, so placing a dish towel underneath is recommended to catch any drips during the draining process. Overall, the NewAir Countertop Ice Maker is a reliable and efficient appliance that delivers a continuous supply of ice for your convenience. The GE Opal Nugget Ice Maker is a sleek and efficient appliance that produces high-quality nugget ice. If you're not familiar with nugget ice, it's a soft and chewable type of ice that's perfect for blended drinks like smoothies and frozen margaritas. It's also ideal for blended cocktails as it keeps your mixture cooler for a longer time without diluting the flavors. This ice maker is capable of producing 1 pound of ice nuggets per hour, and its bin has a capacity of up to 3 pounds. The clear illuminated bin allows you to easily see the amount of ice available and can be pulled forward for convenient scooping. An ice scoop is included for easy serving. The bin is insulated to keep the ice cold, and any ice that melts is automatically replenished. Additionally, the GE Opal Ice Maker can connect to Wi-Fi, allowing you to control it even when you're not at home. It also comes with an extra water reservoir, reducing the frequency of refilling water during larger gatherings. With its stylish design and ability to produce restaurant-quality ice, the GE Opal Nugget Ice Maker is a reliable and convenient addition to any kitchen or entertaining space.